what I wanted to do is I wanted to take those center caps off, but once you take them off, then they look like something's missing. Well, a couple weeks ago, I was scrolling on Etsy and I ran into this guy named Isaac from North Carolina, and he owns a company called 3P Innovations, and he does all 3D printing. He does a bunch of stuff for Toyota Tacomas, and I was scrolling on down and I saw some center caps that you can take off the big piece off on the Method wheels. I believe these are 306s. You can take off those big pieces and then you can use this center cap to put over the that piece that you remove. But so I was talking to Isaac and we came up with the idea of putting my logo on the center cap, and these center caps will go on each wheel. So when he said he could do that, I was like, no way. But he did render up a drawing and then he sent it to me, and that's what it looks like. So these center caps will go on the Method wheels, and it's just a little something for the channel, something like that. When you see those little touches kind of stand out. So I did get 4 of these, 1 for each wheel, and we're going to go ahead and install them. It comes with the center caps, some bolts, some screws and all that, so you have to put them on each individual wheel. You can't just pop the center cap off because the center caps on these wheels come in from the back side. So we're going to install these and show you what it looks like. Again, we want to give a shout out to Isaac at 3P Innovations. I will put a link in description in the box below, so that way if you're interested of getting something for your vehicle, or center caps, Method wheels, or just anything, check out his Etsy page. He's got a lot of cool stuff. So come on, let's go put these on. All right, so we got the center cap off. Okay, so now we've got everything out, and this is the center cap. And what's going to happen is that this will go over that, and they snap into place. Man, that's awesome. And then you put your bolts through. Now these nut and bolts are a little shorter than what came with the original one. So Isaac does include all of these in the kit, and they are Teflon nuts, so don't have to worry about it backing out. Okay, well, we got all the wheels done. It was a little bit of time-consuming process because you have to remove each wheel and pop the center caps out from the back of the wheel. But after about an hour or so, hour and a half, we got it done, and they look absolutely unbelievable. And I want to thank Isaac from 3P Innovations for 3D printing those center caps for me. I will post his info in the links in the description in the box below. You can find him on Etsy under 3P Innovations. He's based out of North Carolina, and he can do colors, he can do your logo and everything on these center caps. He also does some bead lock rings, protective rash guards. So check it out on his Etsy channel. But thank you again, Isaac. And if you got any questions, pop them in the box below. Until next video, this is Semper Gumbie out.